Hello and welcome. What's up, buddies? VloggyBuddy here, and welcome to The Last Guardian. Finally, oh my goodness, I've been waiting for this game for like everyone else, pretty much. I've had this game for a while, but I wanted to. I didn't want to stream it before, so I don't want to get in trouble or anything like that. No, now that's. Hey, Luke! Welcome! Now that it's time to stream it, I'll just join everyone else on YouTube Gaming and Twitch, I suppose. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'm gonna tweet the stream out to some communities. Like, hey, check out my my stuff. And yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. Be right back. And he's back. Alright. I was gonna make myself a drink, and I thought I shouldn't, because I don't plan on getting any rest before work. I usually take a nap before work, but I don't plan on doing that. And I think having alcohol would also be a bad idea. Alright, so water it is. There's nothing I can do about it. I'd love to play some Minecraft, but I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon, Luke. Hey Varro, welcome! And Super Crier, welcome! I'm gonna play me some Last Guardian, because you read the title, so you know that already. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Let's see where this game takes us. Oh, I'm sorry to hear, Super Crier. Thank you so much. You go get some rest. Thank you for the like. Go get some rest. And drink lots of water. I heard that the soundtrack is amazing. Okay, Super Cry. But don't worry about it. I mean, you worry about getting some rest. Worry about getting better. Yeah, the music's amazing. This creature kind of reminds me of the creature in Neverending Story. The flying poodle dog thing. So, apparently wants me to push stuff. Am I doing something? Feels like okay, I just did. I just button mashed everything.
Ino motu o tunum isara bea. Au kunana au isi ieda kunam. O utasama kaku unagu ie tage.
Okay, so the adult is so the adult is narrating the past basically, and the kid is the adult.
Inijukai itiso. Adnaite tawaktu adajurara boy otoriko. Iso uni yu tuti. Ona ananatu onis. Awiniata onis inarachi. Adeitara kyak. Agemas nom anoimi.
Adanarukut. Adarakata. Aoku.
Adamawi Jones. Adeitis.
Okay.
Otado nomari. Inakuna.
Let's just get used to the controls for a bit. Oops. Just help. He's looking at me. If I walk to the left, he looks at me. If I walk to the right... Oh, he's injured, poor thing. It's freezing. How cold is it, Varo? It's not that cold here, actually. I thought it was cold. I think my apartment's colder than outside, to be honest with you. Because here the houses are made of limestone. And the stone tends to get cold. Poor thing is still here.
Atadua ietas tiregek. O toriko. Agia tu torikono. Anabagam is due adatu adadu arie tas tireke inaraz ye tas de astuzi.
Trying to figure out the controls, how to jump and stuff, but I can't figure it out, so.
言えるよ
Oh, I just climbed. Hey, Bare Bones! Hey guys, guess what? I just met Bare Bones.
Atakene kazenik ite tas tireke o turikuno.
21 degrees is not cold. I mean, it depends. Do you mean Fahrenheit or Celsius? If it's Celsius, it's not cold. Probably Fahrenheit if it's cold. You probably mean Fahrenheit. That was stupid on me. That was stupid.
Anabagam is due adatu adadu arie tas tireke inaraz ye tas de astuzi.
Oh, come on. What am I supposed to do? I think I'm supposed to do it from his back, perhaps? Climb through his back? And maybe balance? I don't know. It's not letting me.
Atimu kamesetaran. Oi anesasa yu.
Okay, no, withdraw.
Ye us
Withdraw.
marozi oturikuno.
Oh, okay, I get it. I have Shadow of the Colossus, but I've never played it. Okay, I'm supposed to retreat then from the beast. So what do I do then? Pull the lever. Oh wow, look at that. Kinda glitchy. I heard Shadow of the Colossus is fantastic, and that's why I bought this game, because I heard so many things about Shadow of the Colossus. Throw, drop, okay. I can throw it by pressing square, and drop it by X. Okay, hold on, let's try it.
揺れね波及法
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Inoi yeta rerema o ontorikuno. Adadu arie tas tireke inaraz ye tas de astuzi.
Oh, come on, I gave you something over there. What do you want me to do? I'm not so sure what I'm supposed to do. I will give it a shot, but I just don't have the time. So many games, so little time. Come on, pick up the thing. Oh, come on. So what do I do? Throw, drop. Is this food? I don't know. Yeah, Jack, I was very late. I had a good sleep. Oh no. What am I supposed to do with this barrel? Throw. It's in pain. The poor beast was weary. I felt my perception was to withdraw and reconsider. Okay, so what do I do then? Not sure what I'm supposed to do. This is the first part of the game. I'm already lost.
Atakena reli so o nizi. Arazatione. Atis new folk yetemu. Intrikuno. Omo tunan.
Alright, so he can eat the barrel. Wolf down the barrel. Is that what he means? Is that what he means?
Atake nekas tu awizi. Inas chu baby kuzi. O trikuno. Atari new kuzi. Agizi.
Okay. Aww. So the game doesn't really give you...
役に相当
Alright, now it tells me to jump. There's probably a crouch command. It's cute. The controls are a bit off, but that's okay. So how are you, Jack? I'm gonna throw it at you, okay? Don't be scared. Such a cute game. Can I throw it from here, perhaps, at him? I don't think I'm that good. We'll try. No. Your aim is very off, my friend.
レディオ
So adorable. Half an hour ago. Okay. Your sleep cycle is messed up, just like mine. Is he trusting me now? He's standing up. Oh, he's still hurt. Okay. Does he still trust me now? Does he trust me? Oh, he does now.
Ageta do yatishi sustim. O nozi. O trikuno. Ageta naik tu. Agotu karagojikti adam. Agisonimos. Uniatu.
Are you ready? Egg?
Yede sonire. Atashis ne.
Somebody must have hurt the poor fellow.
Inomis. Okushinezi. O trikuno.
Oh, he got knocked down again. Especially in winter, eh? Yeah. Actually, it doesn't matter. My sleep pattern is not affected by summer or winter, but winter affects how much I sleep. I sleep more in winter. I sleep less in summer. Does it deliver? Well, I just got it, so... Hey, Juan Pablo, welcome! Such a cute game. I'm already getting attached to these characters. And they're not even friends yet. He just helped him out with something. He just fed him. He's still chained, he was hurt, he had spears in his body. We took them out. And he just trusted him now, look. Because the kid assumed that... Hang on, call Chico. The kid just assumed that it's a man-eating beast. Maybe it is, I don't know. So adorable. Alright, hang on. Can I climb? I need to find a way to climb. Maybe through from his tail? Let's see. I need to climb. I want to climb on top. Can I climb? Come on, let me climb. Oh, come on, don't squish me. Maybe I have to go up the chain. Because he's chained up, definitely. I need to set him free. There we go. We're going up. I just heard means it doesn't deliver. Let's confirm. 1 out of 10. Vloggy. Buddy. Bare bones just can't get over how short I am. Oh, so funny. I just ran into Bare Bones, like... Okay, hold on. I just ran into Bare Bones not too long ago. And he's like, dude, I thought you were taller. And I'm like, no. Well, everybody thinks I'm taller. Pull the lever. Come on, pull the lever. There we go, you are free, my friend! Free! I'm gonna climb on top of your head now. Please. No! So good! It's so good! Oh man. I don't know how tall I am. I don't know, 170 centimeters? I don't know. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm gonna put the controller down real quick. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I was, look, what, is he taking a nap? What the heck, man? I go for a second. Well, I was away for a while, I think. I go away and he comes back and he's napping. What the heck, man? Alright, and no, I went to measure myself. That was funny. I don't know if you're still here, Swabby, but thank you so much for hanging out. Go get studying, buddy. Get some studying done. And you did a very funny stream last night. Last night for me, could have been morning for him. But yeah. It's Team Ico. You know, that dog's gonna die, the kid's gonna die, but there's going to be a scene where those Team Ico are going to rip our hearts. Really? Okay. Oh, he took a nap. Even he took a nap. What the heck, man? Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Patrico. Oh.
Ietisa kias natu oirata akena mak. Gata kiati yet no sa o tum. Atunizi yeho o niakia inetu on trikono.
Oh. Oh. So cute. Alright, so what do I do now? This is where I was just a second ago. Oh, we walked. I think he walked while I was away. Okay. Alright, that's how he jumps. Or maybe he died. No, I don't think he died. Too soon for that. Oh, more food for him. How do I pick up? Is this one heavy? On his head. He woke up. He was startled. I startled him. But no. None of them actually. I want to say I played Shadow of the Colossus, but I didn't. I downloaded it, but I never played it. Because I heard so many good things about it. Buddy, I got you foods. He went back to sleep. Buddy. Oh, this is funny. Dude. Let's try again. Let's throw it at his face now. His aim is very off, so it's not gonna work. Alright, that's not working. I don't know what's gonna go happen here, but let's see. No, so I haven't played Shadow of the Colossus. Sorry. I want to play it though. I have to go through there. Is the stream quality okay? The brightness? Shall I turn down the brightness? Is it too bright? I mean, I know this part is bright right now, but is it? Sometimes I feel like it's not good enough. Sometimes I feel like it's not good enough. Properties, hold on. No, this is the wrong thing. This one, hold on. Brightness is not even that bright, to be honest with you. No, I'm gonna leave it as it is. You think Shell of the Colossus is short? I heard it's a massive game. Alright, we're back. Sorry, I was just playing around with some brightness and stuff. Now for some reason the TV won't come back. What happened, man? Oh, come on. Seriously? Hold on. Because now my TV didn't come back. I mean, it's streaming, it's fine, but it's not showing on my TV for some reason. What the what? Properties, let's see. So strange. Can I reset to defaults? Reset defaults. Done. Okay. Let's see. The stream is not coming back to the TV. Oops. Why is it? What's going on? Why you no do? It was working fine. All I did was just adjust the brightness. Why is it happening? Oh, man. What happens if I pull this one out? I'm back in. Nope, nothing. So strange. Why is it not working now? Well, this one. Hey, Dada, welcome. I just decided to mess around with the brightness and now it's stopped working on my TV. I don't know why. It's streaming it, but my TV refuses to accept the the output. Yeah, pull out. Why is it not working? Come on! Oh, man. Seriously? Alright, let me plug out the power source for the Elgato, so this might be messy. We'll see. Let's see. I may have to restart the capture card. Why does it happen? Now the fun part is I reconnected, but it's one moment pleasing. Why is it doing this? Oh man, hold on. Properties, let's try again. Hold on, let me try something new. Sometimes it feels like doing this. Hold on. Oh man. It just refuses to read it now. I shouldn't have touched the brightness. Why did I have to touch the brightness? Let's try something else. Hold on. Let's try something else. Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. This is just great, huh? Hey, Emily. I'm struggling with technical difficulties right now. The capture card is showing up, but the TV is not reading it. Why you no do? It's not coming up on the TV. I can't play it without the TV. Oh, why does it have to go wrong the one time I decide to stream? What did I do? It's showing on stream, but I can't play it because on my TV it's not working now. Oh, it came back! It came back! I didn't do anything now. I was just, my hands crossed complaining. I guess complaining works and pouting and huffing and puffing. So how are you, Emily? It came back now. So much stress. And that's the thing when it comes to IT. You don't know why you don't know why it's not working, and you don't know why it's working now. Anyway. Pick up. Pick up! Dude. Illuminate. Hold down 0 to move the left stick to shine the mirror light. Equip, unequip. Alright. I'm good, thanks. I'm good. I slept most of the day. And I'm working again tonight at 10 PM. So I'm gonna be streaming till about 9 probably. Or 9 something. Hold down and move the left stick. Equip, unequip. Oh, it's gone again. What is going on? It just went off again on my TV. This is not good. It just decided to go away again. And it's on my TV. Maybe I can play it from my computer, but there's like a full 2-second delay. Oh man. I'm starting to think that maybe something's wrong with the cable. Hey Max Rock, hey Pixelsoft. This is stupid. The TV decided to go again. That's strange. I don't get it. I really don't. I don't know what's going on. I'm starting to blame the wires. Maybe I should replace the wires. Actually, I'm gonna do that. Hold on. Which one outputs to the TV? Hold on. It's not this one. It's this one. Hold on. I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'll stay on stream with you guys so you can hear me complain. Out towards the TV. I think it's the HDMI for the TV that's acting up. Let's replace it real quick. I don't know. Because you see I pulled it out. The wire. Is it warm? No, it's not. I don't get it. Ouch, that was my head. Let's use a different wire, see if it makes any difference. Hold on. You see, that's why it's good to have wires handy. So strange. Let's check out. That was my head again. Let's see. I plugged in the other HDMI. I replaced it, see if it makes any difference. Nope, not coming back. Still. Why you no do? I don't get it. I honestly don't. Trying now. Oh, okay. I think it must have been the wire, actually. I think it's the HDMI wire. Okay, switching off the lights again. I had to turn on the lights to check all this. Be right back. Hold on. I'm a troubleshooting master, by the way. It's true. It's true. Okay. So illuminate. Hold down to illuminate where, though? What does it shine? It shines this kind of symbol. Maybe I need to look for a symbol that looks like it. Bright light! Hey, Philly! I saw you on someone else's stream last night. I forgot where though. I forgot which stream. Because I hop from one stream to another. Yesterday I was on Sniper Cat's stream, and I was on Chris Plays Games stream, and I was on Swalby's stream. I hop from one stream to another. This way. I think it's a faulty HDMI, I think. No, I replaced it. It's fine. And he's back. Oh, he's up again. Hello. What is going on? Hold on a sec.
Atune kamikak also boy, own torikono, awiz, in isitsdak itaratu, ataduia, ye
Oh, he ate the barrel, did he? Yeah, he did. Alright, so what happens when I shine the light? Hold on. So apparently lightning comes out. Was it in cat stream, perhaps? Perhaps. I hop from man to man. No, it wasn't from one man to man. It was, well, Swalby is a man. And Chris is a man. And I was on Sophie's stream as well. So what do I do here? What do we do? This is good. I have power now. But the game lets you figure it out on your own. That doesn't tell you anything. Nope. No, nothing. Maybe you can help me clear a path? I don't know. Yeah, baby. Okay, Juan, no problem. Thank you so much for dropping by. Take care. I know the feeling. Can you come? He's coming.
Atatui, ono bumaka, onira kyabeta, ramiezi, otrikuno, ye tarastezi, ono dak, ahinoro kuinozi.
make it across, my friend? Do you need help? Can you go now? So cute. Yeah, the music is fantastic. In fact, I'm usually not a sucker for limited editions and soundtracks and artwork and stuff. Sometimes I think it's all gimmicky. But this soundtrack I'm thinking of getting. I didn't get the special edition or anything like that, but I'm thinking of getting the soundtrack for this game. Do I take a leap of faith? I'm gonna take a leap of faith! Jump down, Trico. Come on. Come on, you sissy. Come on. Oh, he doesn't like water. Or does he? I called him a he, by the way, huh? I called him a he. You don't know what it is, but I call him a he. Okay, what are we gonna do here? Can I dive? Oh, yes I can, wow. It really is a beautiful game. There are some bugs and glitches in the game, eh? I noticed. So, I may have to do this again. Your controls are a bit weird. I mean, triangle to jump. I haven't seen triangle to jump since the PlayStation 2, I think. Just want to try something. Hold on. He's shooting lightning, but obviously it's not reaching, so it's pretty much expected. Let go. Okay. Grip. I can't bring it up. No, there's no way. So maybe I'll just push it, perhaps. Come on, jump. You're gonna die. What do I do? Do I throw it into water? Where's Trico? There he is. Come on, Trico. I got a Trito. Come on. Oh, he did it! He did it! You know what? You deserve another one. I'm gonna get you another one. Hold on. Here is some more, my friend. I'll give you some more. Come on, take it. No, he's not gonna come get it. Okay, never mind. Oh, he's gonna go get it. There we go. Look at me hanging. Alright, can we move? Oh, no way. I thought he pushed me. Almost. Let's go, Trico. It is an adorable creature. And again, going back to the collector's edition, they had a nice statue of Trico. And when I say a nice statue, it wasn't so nice. I would have bought it, but Trico is not in his full glory. He's just napping with his wings closed and everything. I mean, even right now, his position, look at him. He's majestic. But in the statue in the collector's edition, he's just lying down. You have to look at it closely to realize it's Trico. I'm complaining. It does look great, Philly, it does. Oh, it's the end of the game, that's it. We're finished. You see, we made it. We're finished. He has to go. Wait a minute, what's this? Nothing. Alright, let's go. You see, we made it. I finished the game. No, he's coming. So cute, he wants to follow.
Aratizi, Otetara Lastuzi, Arakastakaru, Inokia, Ataduro Kutuzi, Yano Mot Katunek, Aokuzi. Aonari, aututu, keo no nita, ago kuzi, adu tu ku no otaze.
Have I been raided by Sophie? I mean now? Now no, but I have been raided by Sophie before. I think it was during my Resident Evil stream. Resident Evil 4. Where do I go? Okay, Philly, no problem. Take your time. Where do I go? He's sitting down. He's just sitting down. Okay, so... I can't see a thing. No, there's nothing here. Or is there? I don't know. Maybe here? It feels like, okay, here. This looks a lot like a lever. But it's not, eh? Maybe it's better to do this. Yeah, it's the only way actually right now. Okay. Where is he? Where is he? Look at him! You're kidding me. I'll keep looking at him while I do this. I'll take a nice screenshot of this. Oh, I took a picture of him while I was jumping. We'll try again. Is there another rock here? He's gonna jump on that one very soon, so. Did he jump on another one? Oh man, I can't. Where are you, sir? There he is. Oh, oh, say cheese. Lunchtime for Varro. Bon appetit. I want to know what you had for lunch, though. It's very important that you tell me. You made another jump and I missed it. Doesn't make a nice wallpaper though. Oh, come on. I have to hold the camera in place though because it keeps going back down. It's not gonna be. Try again. No, I'm trying to get a good snap. I think I did. I'll check them out later. Are you gonna make a jump for it? Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. So cute.
Radio. Yeah, did it.
So adorable. Okay, what do I do now? I can't make that jump. Definitely not. Up there, perhaps? Is there anything up there? Nope. Doesn't look like it. Hang on, what's up there? There's a chain up there. Hold on. Hold on a second. I see a chain going from one side to the other, maybe. I have an idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'll try. Come on, get up there. Get up there. Get up there, get up there. Oh, come on. Try again. On his back. Oh, now you decide to get... You know what? Let's grab your tail. Oh, come on. Maybe on his head. Feels like that's where I need to go. I don't know. Am I wrong? Oh, okay, I see that. Okay, hold on. So, maybe this... Alright, no, I need to go down. Come on, just fall. Fall, jump. So maybe that door... I am such a genius. Oh, I am a semi-genius. Place is amazing. I don't think you're gonna make it because it looks very fragile. So, no! I didn't make it either. Everybody's like, does it deliver? Does it deliver? Swabby just asked me the same thing. I think it does deliver. And I have to admit, you know how sometimes there's something you're looking forward to and then you decide to... Whoa. Sometimes you decide to read the reviews before you actually see the movie or play the game. Oh wow, he's crossing! He's doing it! Alright, let's give him away. And that's the thing, I watched the review before I played the game, and they pointed out a few flaws, and now I keep noticing them. That's the thing. I always say that sometimes it's better not to watch the reviews before you play the game, because then you go with a mindset, thinking, looking at the flaws, kind of, if that makes sense. You know, if there's a movie and they complain about the horrible acting or something like that, you're gonna watch out for the horrible acting now. And they mentioned a bit wonky controls and some glitches and the cameras sometimes being buggy and stuff. And I keep noticing them now. How am I gonna get through? How is he gonna get through? I can get through fine. He's like, are you stupid? I can't go through. How are you, Mr. Barry? How are you today? Oh, can I go up here? Oh wow, I just realized where we are. Okay. This is where I just destroyed the door, but no, we're not gonna make it from here. Perhaps he can make it a jump. No, he's not gonna make a jump. Yes, you are right, Slim. You are very right. I think originally it was supposed to be a PS3 game. Is there something here? Feels like there's something over there. How did he make it? What the heck? He found a way! And I'm trying to figure it out. How am I gonna get him in here? Look at you! You have a mind of your own, eh? I like you, buddy. Oh, man. So now what? What do we do? Do we destroy the gate with our superpower? Let's do it. Pew, pew, pew. We'll figure something out, my friend. We'll figure something out. Exactly. It feels like Mario 64 sometimes. The controls and the camera. Honestly, yes. That is a very good comparison. It feels like Mario 64. I kid you not. The way he controls the camera and the way he walks. It's true. Any ideas, my friend? Is he gonna follow me here? He's coming. So adorable. Can you do this for me for a sec real quick? Can you? Over here? Can you? He can't do it. That's fine. We're gonna figure something out, don't worry. I'm not so sure, actually. No, Chico, wrong way. Sorry for calling you here. Feels like there's a puzzle here somewhere and I'm missing it out. I have an idea, I think.
Get ya!
Over here, my friend. Alright, let's see. Hey, Final! Welcome. He's so adorable. I'm enjoying his company. Come on. I need to be on your head. I need to climb on your head. Come on, let me. Come on. Come on. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hup! I did it! Okay, now, let's see if this leads somewhere. You have to figure everything out on your own, huh? Now there's a chain, which I'm gonna hang up. Hello, Jill. Jill is awesome. Thank you so much for coming. Let's see. Was he just crying? Let's see. Not sure where to go from here anyway. Oh! Almost fell off. Okay, now where do I go from here? I made it up here, and then what? What the heck? So adorable. He's trying to reach out. Oh. Alright, seriously though, I need to stop getting distracted. I need to stop getting distracted by the monster, right? This is a smaller chain though. It's not like I can do anything. Hang on, there's a treat up there. Can we do this? No. Where do we go from here? I am so confused. What's over here? Nothing. I can't jump from one side to another, can I? It's impossible. What the heck? He made it! And this is the way, actually. So cute. Hold on, what's over here? Be right back. I'm gonna feed him. Grip. Alright, so I have to do this. Grip. And pull. Right? He's like, I miss you, buddy. Can you get out of my way, please? Oh, that's so cute. No, 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 no. Alright. Come on. Eat up, my friend. Eat up. So cute. Alright, so, that's your cute Rico. Let's see what's over here. And guess what? Another dead end. Oh, can you make it over across up there? Can you? Can you? Come on, I think you can do it. He jumped on me. Are you behind me, sir? Where'd he go? It really is a good game. Welcome to the stream. Obviously I'm a noob, so bear with me. There he is. Hey! Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hmm? Hang on. I wanna look around. Hang on. I wanna look around. Jill gave this game 9 out of 10, which is better than IGN's because they gave it a 7. Come on. It's more than a 7 for sure. I'm not saying it should be a 10 out of 10, but come on, they gave it a 7. IGN, that's not good enough. That's at least my opinion. Sometimes I hear that IGN are very biased when it comes to reviews. I heard that they are bribed sometimes to make good reviews. That is what I heard. Do we need to figure a way inside? Feels like I'm going around in circles, am I? Yes. This is the way I came from, no. Where do we go from here? I do not know. I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure. Let's see. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I tried. I'm gonna take a sip. I think I need to clear all these symbols so I can play the game, I think. That's what it feels like. Look at that. Right? I think so. Alright, so where do we go, Mr. Trico? Tell me. No, Bear Boss, I don't want to add you. I don't even play multiplayer games, so I'm not so sure what the point might be, but I'll add you, sure. Maybe up there. I think so. I'm gonna try something. Okay, that didn't work, but...
Striker! Get ya!
Let's see. Let's try again. Did you guys see that? I'm sure you have. The moment I grabbed onto it, whoa, he just took me took me for a ride. Thank you, sir. What's going on? What's this? What's this? You just got the PS? Did you get it from Matthew? Grip. It's gone. The bird dog, yeah. Bird dog, bird dog. Let's go this way, my friend. Hold on, what's over here? Something tells me that feeding Tricos is somewhat of an importance. I don't know. He's not gonna come get it. Hold on. Come get it. Actually, you know what? What the? He just snatched it out of my hand. That's good. That's so cute. Come on, Trico. How's he gonna turn around? He has to get out and come back in. Look. Poor thing. Because he can't turn around in that narrow corridor, so... Look, he's gonna have to make a U-turn. There he is, he's coming. This feels like a dead end. To me. What's wrong? Why are you crying, my friend? I'm gonna climb on top of your head again, just in case you feel like jumping, you know. me a sec, I'm trying to think. So sure I need to do, but I'm gonna make a jump just in case. We'll see if I can grab onto that little thing over there. Hold on. Whoa. Nope, 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 no! Alright, so we're back here. There's no way past. Oh, there is a way up there. Okay. Okay. So I need to borrow your head real quick. Come on, up, up. Come on, don't be shy. I'm gonna jump. There we go. Whoa! How did I get here? I can't even turn the camera around now, it's just... No! Ah! No. Directional jump. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Directional jump. So if I want to jump... No? That's how it's done. You have to turn. Okay. So now I can do it. Nope. I can't get past here. I can't do it. I need to get up there. There we go. That took a while. Alright, so. It's not working. Whew! I finally made it to the other side. Oh, freaking camera does whatever it wants. That's what it annoys me. Aww. Here we go. Come on, you're here now. No need to cry. Let me give him food. Let him snatch it out of my hand again. Here you go.
家だよ。トリック。トリック。
Come on, have it. So adorable. There you go. Don't play with your food. Let's do this. Here he comes. What is this place?
Atiete wo inakinan otorikumo.
What's wrong?
トリックがあっち急いでる。
I don't know how to help. Yes, this is a no pants zone. Cheer. How are you? Nice to see you. Trying to figure out what needs to be done here. We jump down here, there's no way back up again. And Chico's scared of something. I don't know what. I mean, maybe this? Oh, there's a lever up there. I see it now. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. How do I get to the lever? Hold on. Is there a way in or way out? Hold on. Stream hopping. I know what that's like. I was doing that all night last night, hopping from one stream to another. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I need to get to that lever for sure. There's water down there. Feels like there's something that goes up there. Hold on. I got an idea, I think. No. There's no way in for Buddy. No way in. And I'm starting to think that that lever only opens this gate, so I need to figure something out over here first. This door. I'm back. Sorry, I don't know why it does that sometimes. Sometimes OBS feels like disconnecting and reconnecting. I don't know why. Welcome back, Philly. Why is he hopping like this? What the heck? What just happened? What just happened? Yeah, Pickled, he just showed up when he... when he ate me whole. What the heck is going on? He nommed me. I think it was supposed to happen then. I think it was supposed to happen. He never ate me. Unless he threw me up again.
Toriko.
What the heck, did he die?
Ateye tanakyang, agui magak, ateye tum, ahinoro kui nozi, agyati go mau.
Isa.
Hey, Holy Enigma, welcome. Nice to see you. Welcome to the stream, buddy. Alright, so I don't know what happened to him. He's still breathing. So that's good, I guess. But what's going on? Hey, Trico. Wake up, buddy.
Isa. Yedio.
No. You must taste yucky. Good one. Good one. What? Oh, look, his tail is hanging. Maybe I should go down there. I should exploit the fact that his tail is hanging. Let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this for real. So... descend. Turning the camera because now what? Aha. It's a lovely game. The cameras and the controls are a bit... they feel like old school.
Akari etizi, oisonichi, ai oroi, o nozi, awisi.
Let's check this out first. Nothing. Is this gonna be a maze? No, but so far I'm not lost. There we go. I'm right next to the lever. I made it. I made it. I'm on the other side. Is he still down? Yeah, he is. Poor thing. Anyway, maybe this will bring him back to life. Not responsive. Poor thing. Statues. What the? What the what? Ah! Hey Gaming Zone, welcome. What's going on? What's going on? Is he defending me? Are they attacking him? Wow, that was awesome. You got no shame, buddy. You got no shame.
Atietis new folk anes otunurai otrikuma Atiagic inotu yanogeti astu agtrikono awizi.
Hey Vladimir! Welcome, my friend. How have you been? I'm trying to calm him down. I'm trying to pet him. Let me pet you. He's calming down. Look, look, look. There we go. There we go, my friend. Let me pet you. Oh, he's calmed down now. Oh. Let's go. Oh, I love seeing him squeeze through tiny spaces. Look at him, he's gonna squeeze. Is he? Is he? Oh, he can't make it. Oh, he can't make it. Oh, he needs petting. Let's pet him. Oh, oh, it's so adorable. I'll be right back. I'll figure something out. Hold on. I'll figure a way out. Don't worry, Trico. I'll figure something out. Trust me, I'm an engineer. There's a chain up there. to find the way up there. Okay, I got it. Draco, I'm gonna need to borrow your head real quick. Bear with me. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Get up there. What's over here? Hold on. Don't cry, my friend. We're gonna figure this out. Bear with me. I was thinking maybe I could jump to those. Ah, I did make. Yes, I did. Come on, up there. Come on, you can do it. No! Shove. There's no need to shove him. Can I shove him? Please shove. Poor thing. Sorry, Draco. The game told me to shove. Sorry, Draco. The game told me to shove you. I will never do that again. I promise. The game is mean. You think this is funny, Varro? You think this is funny, huh? Alright, I'm gonna see if I can make a run for it. Okay, like that. Yes. There we go. Now I need to make sure I don't fall off. There we go. I'm not sure what I'm doing, to be honest with you, but we'll see. No, get up there. Oh, there he is. Hello. Can you jump up here? Can you make it up here? Can you? Can you? No. Oh, you're okay. I don't know. I have no idea, Varro. I don't know if this is a forest temple or a snow. Oh, look at him. He's enjoying himself. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if it's a forest temple or or the moon temple or whatever. Looks like a forest. It looks like it's definitely a temple. I mean, some sort of a temple. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Oh, what was that noise? What did you do? What did you break? Where do we go from here? What's wrong? Why are you making that noise? What's going on? You know, I never played any Zelda games. Shame on me. Alright, I don't know. I don't think this is the way. So. He's stretching. Oh, you. Let's figure it out. Oh, whoa, look at that! No, 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 if you're gonna jump up there, take me with you. I can't. Yes, of course, if you're gonna go up there, take me with you at least. Let's go. I'm so clumsy. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Jump now. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. Whoa! Ah, okay. What's he trying to do? Draco! What's he trying to do? Help! I got my head stuck in there! Alright, I'm gonna look around real quick, because I haven't been here. Is he gonna squeeze in? No way. And if you want to see his butthole, now's the chance. Look at his butthole, guys. An awesome butthole. Oh, yeah, it's very detailed, eh? Alright, I'm gonna check here real quick. Well, he keeps himself. Oh, hell, hold on. Maybe there's something for him in there. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Ate tizi ishmach idelo. Anigo mau ahu kau om. Yedeti sotu rotu o bastu imokije. O yatu inastek o toriku.
It's so weird. He was drawn to the pot. The pot of smelly stuff. I don't know. Oh, he's trying again, look. Very interesting. this way.
Striker!
I don't want him distracted by the thing.
Eat it!
No, he's gonna keep going for it.
Get it!
No. He just wants what's inside. I don't get it.
Ata Kianizi, Otu Yarana, Onu Bastu, Otorikono, Ate Mizi, Otu Imotu, Oido Kunozi, Akano Hizi Awisi.
Let me try something else. Hold on. Okay, hold on. There's something I gotta do from the top. So first I'm gonna move it over here. Yes, exactly. Yes, yes, yes. Exactly, Holy Enigma. That's right. I'm gonna leave it here because I think I have to drop something from up there. I have a feeling. To neutralize the smell. You see, it's just below the ledge. I think. Feels like it. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna go look around first. We'll see. Because it feels like this goes around. Okay, you need to walk slowly, my friend. Whoa, 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 be careful.
Iete ti sotu rotu o bastu imokijen, o yatu inastek o torikuno.
Hold on. Not so sure. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Whoa. Careful, man. I think the bot has to be in the middle to shut the top of it.
Ata Kianizi, Otu Yarana, Onu Bastu, Otorikono. Ate
I see
Mizi,
the pot.
Otu Imotu, Oido Kunozi, Akano Hizi Awisi.
I see like the lid of the pot, so I don't know. I'm gonna look up while I do this. I need to find a way up there. That's it. That's all there is to it. But how do I get up there? I'm gonna look around. Hold on. Okay. I got it. Tricky game. Tricky game, are you? Come on. Come on. I need to get up there. I need to use your body, my friend. If you can calm down for a sec. This is it.
Iete ti so tu ro tu o bas tu imoki jen. O ia tu inastek o torikuno.
Booyah! It's gone now, come on. It does look wonderful. Everything looks wonderful. The environment is fantastic. Trying to figure out what needs to be done now. What's up, buddy? What's up, you cutie? You chicken dog? What do you want? Do you know where to go next? You do? Seriously? Okay. Do your thing. Let me pet you.
いさいさいいさいさい
Oh, he's relaxing now. He's yawning. Oh man. He's gonna sleep? Seriously? Because I'm petting him. Uh-oh. Okay. I don't know what needs to be done. No. I'm gonna look around real quick. Hold on. The cameras are a bit awful, I have to admit. And even the controls. So, let's try again. I'll be right back. I'm gonna scout the area one more time. What's the point of having this area if it's a dead end? Doesn't make sense. Where'd he go? Ah, he climbed. Now you climbed, seriously? I've been waiting for you to do that. Oh, you. Let's go. Hold on. Hold on before you go anywhere. Let me just... Oh, come on, let me reach for your tail. Shake your tail, feather. Alright, you know what? No, come on! Ah! There we go. Where do we go from here? Up there? Looks like it. Let's go. You wanna follow me? Come on, get up there. Coming, hang on. I can't see. Camera, please. Okay, there we go. Look at him. He jumps out of nowhere. Is it safe for me to jump down there? No, I think I have to do the thing. For once he's ahead of me and I have to catch up. I don't know why I just did that. I don't need to do that. What's he doing? Look at him. He's fooling around. I'm just gonna jump now. What? Another one? There was another one of you, my friend. Your girlfriend. He doesn't care. Let's go. Let's see what's what. Sometimes I like to call him. Where is he? Is he coming? There he is. Alright. Ooh, wow. Oopsie. Up there. Will you give me a ride or something? Ah, crap. You want to take me somewhere? Oh, hold on. It's cool that when you get to higher ground, you can see much better. No, no, don't shake me off. Alright, I'm gonna jump over there. No, 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 what you doing? No. Oh, man. Okay, you're standing, and I need you to jump. There we go. Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. Uh-oh. Get up there, get up there, get up there. I'm trying to stand up, but I can't. Come on. Can we stand up? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? There we go. Are there any barrels of food for Trico? Yes, there is. I'm gonna leave this here. For you. Come on, eat it up. Eat it. No? No, eat. Okay. Hey, Sophie. Nice to see you. No! Ooh. There's another one here. I'm doing great, Sophie. Thanks for asking. You? How are you? I'm gonna put this down for you to eat. Come on, eat. I want to watch you. Come on. Come on. Maybe you can't reach it from there. Could it be? I'll come back for them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy now. Can you make it over here, my friend? Yes, you can. Alright, so I'm assuming he didn't eat the barrels of food, so I'm gonna go back for them and... Whoa! Whoa, the cameras are a bit awful, huh? It's a beautiful game, but the cameras are a pain. Well, I think it's lovely. I think it's a beautiful game. The soundtrack is fantastic, Popshot. It's a great game. But the cameras, I struggle with. Sometimes even the controls, but the controls not as bad. The camera sometimes you would expect better from a game that's been in development for so long. But hey. Oh, come on! Don't drop it! Don't drop it like it's hot! Ooh, no, no, no! Come on, take it! Out of my hand, come on! You can eat it, out of my hand, come on! Come on, you can do it! I love that this creature has a mind of its own, huh? It doesn't do what you want, what you want it to sometimes. Alright, maybe if I throw it, you'll be happy? Let's see. Ooh! You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get you the other one. So I'm very happy that you managed. Oh, it's all the other side. But you'll get it, hold on. You should wait for me here, my friend. I'm gonna go get it for him. Actually, I don't think I... No, no, no! Climb, climb. Maybe he did eat the other one, I don't see it. I don't see it, I think he did eat it. Oh, come on, get out of there. No, it's still there. No, he didn't have it. Wait, no, that's... It's gone. He ate it. Alright, it's gone. He's crying because he misses me. And I assigned the gender to Trico. It's a he. I keep saying he. They are a bit, yeah. They are a bit wonky, the controls, but it's fine. It's fine. Come on, Trico. Are you coming down? I'm gonna check what's behind the stairs. Hold on. Nothing. Left or right? I don't think there's anything on the right hand side. Nope. So left. Yeah, the graphics are fantastic, Philly. Just go down here. Am I gonna get hurt? Nope. There's more food. Exactly, Holy Enigma, I agree. More of them! Oh my goodness! Help me! They're coming for me! These guys! Ah! Oh, nice. get me! Help me, Draco! There's these armors that are chasing me. Ah! Draco, help me, please! Help me, please! And they're down. What is this? Thank you, my friend. And as a reward, I was gonna give it to you anyway, but now you deserve it more than ever. Come on, eat it from my... Come on, take this. As a reward. Eat it. Come on, you can have it. No? Come on. Come on. Alright, you go get it. There you go. Oh, look at that! Alright, that's enough. Let's go. What's over here? Hey Dash, welcome! I'm not playing Resident Evil today, for a change. I think I lost my shield. Oh, I don't have my shield anymore. Oh, it's gone. When did I lose it? Oh, there's a lever over there. Is that a lever? No, that was a lever. It's a shiny spear. Alright, let's keep looking. No, I love to play new games, but I'm very picky when it comes to games. That's the thing. I am very picky. I only buy like 3, 4, no, let's just say 4 to 5 games. 4 to 5 games a year I buy probably. Is that a spear? Oh no! Oh. I don't understand. I think it's a different sub count between YouTube gaming and so you could subscribe to me on YouTube gaming, but not on YouTube. That is so weird. I don't get that. I don't get that. I'd rather people subscribe to me on YouTube than YouTube gaming, to be honest with you. Because on YouTube I post videos from time to time. I will be posting a funny one at the end of this year. The Last of Us is a good game. Alright, you were subbed to me on YouTube but not YouTube gaming. Sorry, I read it the other way around actually. YouTube but not YouTube. If you subscribe to YouTube gaming, you'll get notifications each time I go live. That's the difference, yeah. Right, I think I need to go through here. Is it? Is it? Is it? Can I make the jump? Can I make the jump? Doesn't feel like I can, though. Can you raise your head or something? No! Oh, no. Let's try again. My furry little friend. My feathery little friend. Let's try again. But on YouTube Gaming, you get the notifications on your phone, I think, if you subscribe on YouTube Gaming. Now it feels closer. Now it feels closer. Now it feels like he's closer. So now I can do it! I'm sure you can make it as well. Can you jump? Can you jump? Trico, can you jump? There you go. Good boy. Let's go. When you are subbed to the Just YouTube portion, you get this stream in your sub feed. YouTube Gaming, you get notifications. And that they are live. Okay, they both have their benefits, I suppose, eh? Strictly speaking, we don't have YouTube Gaming in Malta, in my country, but we have it. I mean, there's... Oh, wow, I almost fell. Actually, there's nothing. I can just jump. Why is he crying? What's going on? Ah, why were you crying, buddy? Oh, I need to not keep the game. Oh my goodness! Oh no! I didn't see that! There. Probably have to open the door for him or something. He's not going to go up the ladder like me. Let's go. Can you make it up here? Can you make it up here? Oh, yes, you can. Oh, you're such a boss. I love it. Come, my friend. Come. To me. Still got caught. Oh no! There's a lever over there. Okay, hold on. Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry. No need to worry. Just try to figure out. I have an idea already. Don't worry. Actually, I don't think I can jump over the fence. Can I jump over the fence? Is it... Hang on, can I climb over the fence? I can't see. Stupid cameras. No. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. What is this? I was looking at chat. I guess you can't now. Yes, you can't. Oh no! No, 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 no. Let's try again. Let's go this way. All of you. Come on, I can't see a thing. Come on, get up there. They follow me? Okay, Holy, no problem. Ooh, I almost spilled my water. Okay. No, Jake, actually that way we need to go. But no, you don't want to listen. Okay. He's reversing, poor thing. the jump? Can you? Can you? Can you? Are you gonna make the jump? You're gonna take me to the other side? Yes, you are. Looks like you are. No? Or not. How do we get to the other side? Hang on, let me try to think. Oh, he can go through the gate. Okay, that's fine. How did he make it to this side? What did he do?
Jag tittar!
What do I do with these boxes? There's another box here.
Ha. 取り食うの。いてかさとウィズィ。イカスタにウィズィ。イエアホウィズィ。アティケタン。イノイアーロネットゥ。アギシオニーズィ。イエティソガズィ。イノイク。アギャッターオーリアリー。イエテニナフ。アウトリコーノ。アティアジック。イノトゥーク。オーオーバストゥネテバズィ。イントリコーノ。アウィズィ。
Issue commands. Move the boy while holding R1 to issue commands to the beast. Move the boy.
Jedja! Character! Jag tittar! Yeti! Look! With a look!
I'm not so sure. Oh, he just smashed the boxes. Look, they're free now. There's foods everywhere. Come on. He's gonna have it, look.
Whoa!
Nope. I didn't make the jump. I tried.
Daniel!
to get up there.
Yeti!
I want to go up there. I'm not so sure how. No. Come on, why you no climb? I don't get it. No. I feel like I'm stuck in here. I found another one. I can't jump, I can't make it. Hey Saranya, welcome. I can't make this jump, I need to get up there, definitely. get up there. Come on. Nope. Really? No?
Hurry, girl.
I'm not gonna make that jump. I need to... Huh. No, there's absolutely no way to make this jump. No, nothing. She broke the barrel again. I don't know. I'm confused now.
Yedio. Yedio. Yedito.
Oh man. One more jump. Nope. This is not gonna work. I don't know. That's the only way. She does, doesn't she, Pop Shot? Yes, she does. I checked out her channel as well. I did. Where do I go from here? I need to get up there. Up there. Maybe here?
Hurry, girl.
I need some help. You think? Yeah, I think so.
Get down.
How do I get up there? And he has a tendency of lowering his head whenever I get on top of his head. Come on! Come on! Yes. No, no, don't shake me off. Come on, up there. Up.
얘기요. 얘기요.
There's no way to get up there. I don't understand. I really don't understand.
얘기 끝.
Move the boy while holding R1 to issue commands to the beast.
얘기 끝. 이 끝. 뭐 끝. 얘기.
And then he lowers his head. Look, I don't like that. I don't know what's going on.
이거 있어.
I'm gonna look around.
이 끝. 얘기 끝. 얘기 끝. 이 끝.
I think I just told him to do something. I don't know. Come on! You nugget! Oh, come on.
얘기요.
Get up there. Can you get up there, please? Come on, I'm losing patience now.
얘기. 뭐 끝. Without 아끼야. Without breathing. Yoga.
Wow, that took forever. It's like...
あたん。いのいありけでにじ。うどいぐおにじ。
It's like giving him orders, but
あくねたな
it's like I know what I need to do.
アティメティシジ。アティサカストゥ。アウクイルネジ。アカロネトゥ。イントリコノ。アコ
But
タン。
it just,
マ
the
チ
beast needs to
イエロ
listen,
ジ
and I need to get
アウイズ
exactly what I mean. I need to get the beast to do exactly what I mean. And it's not easy. I knew exactly what needed to be done, it's just that... Anyway. At least we're up here now. And we go through here. What's over here? Nothing. We're gonna open the gate, I think. I guess I'll jump down. Come on. Now he needs to come from the other side. Wait a minute. Oh no, he's limping. Oh, he's good now. That didn't do anything. I think I'm gonna have to issue a command for him to jump now. Alright, let's see. No.
Look. Isai. We are addicted. Yeti. Addicted. We are addicted. Whoa.
Up there, over there.
Breaker. We are the queen. Yeti. Addicted.
There we go, you see? Thank you. Now what? I made it to the other side, but... Nope, that's not gonna work. Are you gonna do it?
Addicted.
Can you smash it?
Addicted.
No, I don't think you can.
Yeti.
No. I'm gonna look around.
Yeti.
He's stuck. Oh, so sweet. Alright, up there.
Focus.
I don't think I can make that jump though. Oh, come on, just let go. Never mind.
Whoa.
Try over here. Oh man. No, it doesn't lead anywhere. Come on, do it. Can you smash it? It looks like you can.
Well, good. Yeti! Whoa. Hurry, girl.
Maybe I'm just kidding myself.
Iktu! Apology! Yeti, notte! Are! Yeti! Yatian! Cuidado! Akea!
I'm not so sure what needs to be done.
Are!
Come on. I believe in you. I'm gonna press all of them.
Imatte! Imatte! Yaditu! Apology!
Nice. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Stay like that. Stay like that. So there's different commands. Man, the game doesn't tell you anything. Nothing. It just lets you explore on your own, discovering the different types of commands. Alright, that is kind of helpful, but not over here. I don't think I'm gonna do anything over here anyway. Oh, there's the ladder. Okay. We're doing stuff. It's progress. It's progress, guys. We're doing progress. Anything here? He's crying. He's missing me now. Ooh. Easy now. Why am I over here if there's nothing? Is there another pipe? No, it doesn't look like it. No, I'm not gonna risk it. Doesn't look like it's another steel pipe. No, no, this is just... No. It's just a decoy. There's nothing over there. Oh, wow. Still nothing. No. is so weird. Where do I go from here? It's a dead end. Oh, that hole. Oh my goodness, I missed that. The hole. No way. Now what? I think I should go down from here. No! He took a leap. I confused the X button because the jump button is the triangle. He's gonna limp for a while. No. No, 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 not these. They're gonna come to life. They're gonna come to life. I think if I come in front of their light, they will come. I wanna test that theory. Yes, that's the theory, and that works. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna lure them over here, unless there's more. No, it's just those two. I'm gonna lure them over here. And now we go. Did they fall off? No, I wish. Fast, 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 fast. No! No, no, no. No worries. Let's lure them over here one more time. Don't worry about me, Trico. Don't worry about me. I'm gonna stand over here to this side, then make a U-turn and run. He wants to get them, huh? No problem, no problem, no problem. Don't worry. He's almost there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. One last run. Over here. Stupid me for triggering them to see what triggers them. Oh no, 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 no! Come on! Make her run for it. Why won't he pick it up? Come on! What the heck? God dang it! This was the control's fault. He wouldn't grab it. Ah, I walked right into the other one. Fantastic. What are these symbols flying around me? I have no idea what's going on. Look at him panicking. Like, what do I do? Where do I go? What do I do? Alright, come on, we're gonna do this. One last run. Don't you dare fail me. And he's in! Get them. Get them. Squish them. Oh man, you saved my butt. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. He's a bit agitated. No problem. He panicked a lot. He panicked. Don't worry about it, buddy. I'm fine. I'm calming him down. I'm calming him down. Ah. He's calm. Okay, we're good. You see, all is good. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's figure out this one now. Another gate. Another gate! Get down! Oh man, now what? Huh. Let's look around real quick. Up there. Up there. I need to get up there. Okay. Straight go. Alright, that's what I wanted you to do. Good boy. Alright, so. Now I know the commands. It's easy. I mean, I know the commands. I know this one for sure. Oh, there's a ladder up here. Through this hole again. Go down. One more. Get up. I think that's a hole. Yep. Nope. How much memory? I'm not sure I understand. The game is running on disk. But then I had to download like a 1 gigabyte update the moment I installed the disk. Installed. I think it does install it. More of them. It's gonna happen again. It's gonna happen again, eh? Oh, look how many! This is not good. And where's the gate? It's over there again. Oh, we have to repeat the whole thing. What I'm gonna do... No, I need to find a way down. So I don't limp. I'm really enjoying this game. It's a puzzle. Oh. Okay, I thought I was gonna fall. Nice. Get down. Get down. Okay. Now then. If I make a jump. No! No way. Get up there. Is he gonna get me from here? Yes, he is. What the heck are they doing? What the heck are they doing? They can still hurt me this way. I committed suicide. No, I didn't. I'm still alive. I don't know what's going on. I thought I died. To find a way up. They're all there. Look at that. Can I go further? No, this is the farthest I can get. Okay, so climb. Get up there. They don't see me, they're all over there. Stupid. Suckers. But the gate's over there, that's where I need to go. Dang it. Ah, they saw me, all of them. I'm not scared, I have a strategy now. I jump over here. No, down. Down! Down! And now, I run all the way here. Are they all there? Still there? Yes. Alright. They didn't see me. Okay. Jump. Real quick. They don't see me, do they? Suckers. He's gonna go straight for them. Uh-oh, they're coming. They're not gonna get me. What are you doing? He wants to destroy every piece of them, even that little bit on the floor. Look, he's gonna go for it. He wants to make sure they're all gone and nothing's left. Look, he's even squashing the little bits. Okay. Alright.
Isai.
Aww. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. So we have to do it again. One more time, buddy. One more time. I have to issue a command for him to stand up. Kind of. That makes sense. No food for Chico? No. No. No! Come on! I did press it, but it just didn't respond. Once again. Issue the command. You? I fell off because of controls.
やっていって
Just as I suspected. He is afraid of stained glass for some reason. I don't understand, but he's afraid of the stained glass. This. Look at him. He's afraid of stained... The game doesn't explain what's going on, really. Look. He's gonna be okay now, look. He's gonna cross like no problem. You see? Still? What's up there? What's the problem now? Oh, he's gonna jump, is he? Ah, and you left me behind, seriously. What about me, man? Alright. There we go. Come on, stand up or something. What the heck are you doing? Oh, nice. Doing the whole thing on his own. Nice. Do you want to perhaps do this? Whoa. Where did you bring me? Come on. I need to check the time. I mean, I know what the time is. I need to see how much time I have left. Hold on. Alright, I need to start getting ready for work. I want to keep playing. It is a lovely game. It's really nice. I'm really enjoying this. But I'm gonna have to stop. How do I save? I guess it doesn't. I mean, it does, probably on its own. Let's see. Continue. Let's see where it continues. Interesting loading screen. Thank you, Final. I wish I could stream. I want to stream this for like 12 hours. I want to stream this for 12 hours, but not today. I have to go to work. I have 3 days off. All right, it's exactly where I left off. Yes, 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 is it? Yes, it's exactly where I left off. Fantastic. All right. So I'm going to end off this stream. All right, I'll continue. I have 3 days off, so the following 3 days I'm going to do a 12-hour stream of this game. Hopefully I'll finish it in one sitting. I don't think I will, but who knows. I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for watching. Those who haven't subscribed or liked the video, I appreciate if you do that. And I will see you guys next time. Bye and ciao.